2019 Maths Exam Questions, Class 10, Part 16. Question number 29. A metallic bucket open at the top of height 24 cm is in the form of the frustum of a cone, the radii of whose lower and upper circular ends are 7 cm and 14 cm respectively. Number A. Find the volume of water which can completely fill the bucket. Number B. Find the area of the metal sheet used to make the bucket. Use pi is equal to 22 by 7. Then you know gesa metallic bucket tunga metallic bucket ko salaha digimna height of bucket 24 cm digimna radius of upper circular end 14 cm aro radius of lower circular end 7 cm digimna slant height of bucket dikuri masija nimana L ni seduna ha dikuri jamana calculate again skang bo mak nangena volume of water in the bucket iko amnagda nangen skangbo given h manade height of bucket arang jok 24 cm aro radius of bigger circular end r1 yerong jok 14 cm aro radius of smaller circular end r2 yerong jok 7 cm. Number A to dia number A ko solve again. Volume of water in the bucket. The volume of water in the bucket, you know there. My formula ko jakena volume of frustum ne. Volume of frustum. My know. My ko janapa frustum. Frustum of a cone. Ini volume ni formula ko jakana gda nangno. The frustum of a cone ni volume ko make is yana. Pi h by 3 into r1 square plus r1 r2 plus r2 square. Yanong jok volume of frustum of a cone. Pi ara betana ino akan jok pi is equal to 22 by 7. Ini mana second 22 by 7 into height ara beta 24 into ya come out 3 dunga ini man come out 7 into 3 into to the bracket ningau r1 aro r2 ni biaba substitute kanangen r1 ara 14 cm the beno square dunga ini man 14 square plus r1 r2 r1 de 14 r2 de 7 ini man 14 into 7 plus r2 square de 7 square. So this is equal to equal cancel kanaman again 3 ara 24 de 8 times unagrade cancel kanaman gubade tungjawa 22 into 8 kaude 176 divided by 7 14 squared betana 196 plus 14 to 7 de 98 plus 7 squared de 49. So this is equal to 176 by 7 yagamako plus kato de 343. So the 343 ko divide against more but that times songyana 49 times. So this is equal to 176 to 49 ko multiply kang ode 8624 ongya 8624 unit tarong jok centimeter cube. Yes, sir, volume of water in the bucket. Today number B ko solve again. Number B de find the area of the metal sheet used to make the bucket. Area of metal sheet ne. Jeon bucket ni part on metal sheet tunga uni area ko amnagdan again. Ya upper part de merakana may kawana seminara open at the top nimnagania. Open at the top mane de ya bucket ni ya kosakaba part de open na ne ino de bang na. Ini man ya bang ba ya ya top pode ya kosakaba part de ino de open unga mane de bang ino de metal sheet tungja. Metal sheet de ya part to dunga aru ya khamagaba part to dunga maina khamagaba part ko de metepa kosakaba part de bang ini man ya part de metal sheet tungja. Ini man area of this part ko amna nangen aru area of this lower part iko amna gda nangen. Ini man magi segena skang bao ya slant height ko amchingna nangen ya slant height L ya slant height L ko na make amgen na anga ino nigi dotted tong emna salemi soka ha ya nigi dotted tong emang dimni ya height of bucket yede 24 cm dimna ya partara betana R1 minus R2 kan nangen iko machina gdade iko nga ya portion ko nga tengthang nake salthai mi sokeni no ndigri ke salna mangen ya partara rongjok L ya rongjok R1 minus R2 dimna ya partara betana 24 cm ya rongjok height of bucket 24 cm yara L dimna yade R1 minus R2 ne ya radius of bigger circular end R1 radius of smaller circular end R2 R1 minus R2 tadi ya hypotenuse kam nangen perpendicular ko masya base ko masya ndiba ya hypotenuse ko masih jayani man Pythagoras theorem jakalemna ya L ko calculate again ini mana again skang bau slant height L is equal to the Pythagoras theorem ko jakalemna L is equal to root pedang again 24 square plus R1 minus R2 whole square 24 square plus R1 minus R2 whole square and this is equal to root 24 square de betana 576 plus R1 de betacham 14 minus R2 de 7 whole square and this is equal to root 576 plus 14 minus 7 de beta 7 square de beta 49 and this is equal to yagi gini ko plus ka ode bedongen 625 and this is equal to the 625 ni square root error bata ukra make machine 625 pra my number ko square ko 625 manana 25 ini man 25 square ni sina man again tawde square root of 25 square beta 25 dimna ini unit centimeter tawde ya slant height L ara beta manjokna 25 centimeter tawde anga area of the metal sheet used to make the bucket uko calculate kana man again therefore area of the metal sheet used to make the bucket. Area of the metal sheet used to make the bucket is equal to ini formula make na skangabao ya part ni area ne ya part ni area de curved surface area ongen curved surface area ongjok pi into R1 plus R2 into L ini mana again pi into R1 plus R2 into L plus tawde area of circular end area of upper circular end dongjawa maina ya parte open diba ya area of lower circular end dongen maina ya parte close ne ya open nongpa bangbangpa part ni area khode amjawa diba ya khamagpa part ya lower circular end ni ya lower circular end de matpa inimin ya part de metal sheet tongai inimin ya part ni area khamgen yerongjok area of smaller circular end by area of lower circular end area of lower circular end you know the area of circle ko jakhanangen area of circle de pi r square ndiba ya lower circular end ni radius ko de make serona r2 ne yede r1 yede r2 inimin area of this circle de betongena pi r2 square you know again pi r2 square so this is equal to pi ra betana 22 by 7 into ya r1 de 14 plus r2 de 7 into L de betana deshin manjok 25 plus ya pi de 22 by 7 into r2 square ode 7 square so this is equal to 22 by 7 khaman ongya ini mana 22 by 7 ikha khaman again digimna bracket ning aude mai dong rakia 14 plus 7 ka aude petong ya 7 plus 4 de 11 1 plus 1 de 2 21 21 into 25 ne 21 into 25 plus ya hoba khaman raha khali 7 square dong rakia 7 square ong jok 49. So this is equal to 22 by 7 into tore 21 into 25 ye gigini ko multiply khabo digimna 49 baksa plus khabo inude petong yana 574 tore 7 ara 574 ko divide against me order better apne yana 82 tore 22 chi ye 82 ko multiply khabo inude petong again 1804 unit centimeter square 1804 centimeter square. Yes, area of the metal sheet used to make the bucket.